Yeah, hi, so this is another Toolbox talk. We're gonna record it now. What's the music? So this talk discusses the measures necessary to ensure that the use of PPE is effective. The purpose. So hazards. Well, in some cases, it's not possible to adequately control hazards. PPE is therefore used as the last line of defense. Some dangers arising from hazardous activity can only be controlled by the use of PPE. So, what's the PPE? PPE is a clothing or other equipment used to protect you from non-workplace hazards. In construction, the most commonly worn items of PPE are safety footwear, the hard hats, the eye protection, habits. Other examples of PPE include like respiratory protective equipment, fall prevention, or safety harnesses, earplugs, some types of gloves, and other types of clothing. But there are some limitations though. PPE will only protect the person from using it. It's the only limitation. So the second, it must be used with the manufacturer's instructions and training needs to be provided. So if incorrectly using, it may not provide you any protection at all. So the level of protection provided is difficult to determine, as it depends on how well the individual is wearing the PPE. So the PPE must be in good condition. So just don't mistreat it. Your health, life, depends on it. What else? Second one. Second questions. What your employer must do? So employer must access the risks to their health and safety from the work activities and just undertake them and undertake those activities. Employer needs to control risk by other means other than PPE. So PPE is used as last resort. An employer must provide appropriate items of PPE that suit the wearer where PPE is necessary. They must supply with all the necessary PPE just free of charge. Is a must. They must provide training to how to use those PPE. They must explain implications of if you're not going to use it. Ensure different types of PPE is compatible. More than one item of PPE just needs to be worn. They must ensure that PPE is maintained and lost PPE should be replaced at no cost. Another question, what you must do? So you must use your PPE in accordance with any instructions and training provided. It's just one of the important things. Second one, just return PPE if it's broken or something like that. Free. If you're lost, you need to report it to your employer if you lost your PPE. And when PPE is necessary, you should never actually work without it. So what's next? So actually, it was the purpose of this talk to just describe the hazards and risks of not using PPE. In some cases, it's not possible to control the hazards, so PPE is therefore used the last line of defense. And some dangers arising from hazardous activities can only be controlled by the use of this PPE. So you guys all know that, what is PPE, how it's worn, how to use it. You're all with the PPE now, so footwear, hard hats, eye protection, and so on, so on, so on. So next. There are the limitations, as I told. PPE just will only they will only protect the person who is is just using it. So you should much never rely on it, actually, solely on it. It also depends how person is fit or just well wearing. So PPE must be fully in good condition. You should not like mistreat it because actually your health, your life is just depending on it. So what's next? So employer, just we're gonna cover a few more points and that's it. Employer, they must provide training on how to use their PPE, and they must provide not only the training, they must also explain you all kinds of limitations on PPE and all kinds of this stuff. Just you know, make sure you replace throw away just any defective PPE, and you know it's gonna be alright. So just and so as I mentioned, so just you should not work without PPE, you know, because it's just never work without it because it's just a necessity, you know. So just be safe, stay safe, and thank you. Yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna give the guys to sign the Toolbox talk, and just the video is done. So thank you.